So, media training is designed to help athletes navigate all media interviews, comments, and trolls. So, and as well as the public appearance. So, in this study, we are focused on the social media regards and the effects on the mental health of budding cricketers. So, the rise of social media, as we all know, in recent years, social media has transformed the landscape of sport, providing athletes with new opportunities for visibility and interactions. Then it's the impact on young cricketers is more, so which says budding cricketers are increasingly exposed to social media from a young age, shaping their perceptions, behaviors, and approach to the sport. So training beyond the field, social media is not just a platform for personal expression, but also an extension of a player's brand and image, demanding a unique set of skills and understanding. So constant exposure on social media possesses challenges for young cricketers in handling criticism, fame, and balancing personal and professional identities, which affects their mental and emotional well-being. So there is a necessity for structured training program to educate budding cricketers on managing their social media presence effectively. So the aim of the study was to determine the significance of social media training in budding cricketers, which helps in building psychological resilience and promoting effective communication. We have used Google Scholar and PubMed to search articles using the keywords like social media training, digital literacy, cyberbullying, impact on sport performance, and young cricketers. So the results and effects. The positive effects, we have personal brand building. So social media can be utilized by athletes to enhance their personal brand, promoting a positive image that showcase their personality, values, and achievements. So networking helps like contact with athletes and coaches and experts by learning opportunities. By following other successful athletes or coaches, they can gain insights and advice and motivation which can positively impact their mindset and approach toward the game. Then better communication skills. Athletes who undergo social media training can develop better communication skill which can be beneficial in handling media interactions, interviews, and expressing themselves confidently, thus reduces the anxiety in public speaking situations. Then mental health resilience. So learning how to handle criticism, negative feedback on social media helps in a better mental resilience of cricketers. So training could involve techniques to filter out negative comments, focus on constructive feedback, and maintain a strong and positive mindset despite the external pressures. Stress management and coping strategies. So the training aims to teach cricketers how to effectively use social media, balancing their online presence with their mental health, and to understand when to disconnect and focus on their mental well-being. So the performance monitoring, this aspect of training can contribute to a deeper understanding of their own game and self-reflection and continual improvement. So negative effects. So first and foremost negative effect you can see is the distractions. So distraction by checking constantly on the social medias and browsing and engaging in online discussions can divert attention from crucial practice sessions and affecting the skill development and concentration during the games. Increased pressure. So with or without their knowledge they will be increased under a pressure. So this scrutiny can lead to increased pressure to perform and impacting their mental state, causing performance anxiety. Cyberbullying and trolling. So negative comments and criticism or personal attacks can severely impact their mental well-being and confidence. Such as experiences can lead to stress, anxiety, and a decline in their overall mental health, affecting their performance on the field. Then reduce privacy. Social media can cause athletes to overexpose themselves on their personal lives on social media, so potentially affecting their stress management and ability to handle challenges outside the sport due to the lack of privacy and the need for a polished image. Constant comparison. So Constant comparison can cause jealousy, self-doubt, and impacting mental health. So the pressure to perform at peers level increases competition and expectations, so leading to mental health issues. Public scrutiny and criticism exacerbate these negative emotions. So as a conclusion, equipping team with social media strategies before session or series on how to handle themselves on or off the pitch, and set boundaries to avoid distractions, like limiting yourself from the social media time. Everything helps in reducing the distractions. And don't immediately respond to a negative comment or troll. So respond to a comment which comes from your coaches or teammates, the one whom you want to respond. Then seek professional advices on managing your social media presence, responsibility, and if pressures become overwhelming, take a break, seek a professional support, and move yourself. Then what do we suggest? So as a sports science professionalist, we suggest, at our base, would suggest that mental and psychological exercises such as setting up a pre-performance routine, visualization, and self-talk, etc., can overcome the mental blocks which occurs due to social media interactions. So these techniques can help in avoiding dealing with negative social media influence. So that's all. Thank you.